Hey, what up squad, it's your boy K-Flow coming to you with another mini mod. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a mid-console Molle panel for your second generation Toyota Tacoma. Let's get this thing started. So for those of you who are new to my channel, the purpose of my channel is to teach you how you can engineer your very perfect Tacoma. So make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that bell right next to it so you're up to date with my latest video releases. And in this video we will be using my 2009 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. And this Molle panel will actually work with any of the second gen Tacomas. So that's 2005 to 2015. So this Molle panel is actually one of the ideas that I had designed and fabricated and posted pictures on Facebook, and it was super popular. So if you're interested in buying these, I will be selling these on my store. So make sure you check that out. Go to store.kflow-crib.com. Now I will be giving away a few of these Molle panels. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can find out how. Now let's get to the garage.
So this is what it's going to look like when you order this Molle panel from the store. And as you can see, the edges will have a little bit of burn marks from the plasma cutter. Now with using sanding flaps on the angle grinder, this is what it's going to look like. See, all those burn marks do go away. You can also sand it by hand if you don't have an angle grinder, and it should be pretty straightforward. Now we could prep that Molle panel for paint. You can use acetone to do a quick run on the surface to clean off any grease and grime, and I'll finish it off with wax and tar remover. Alright guys, now it's suspended in my garage using some fishing lines so that I can hit both sides of that Molle panel with paint. So I'm going to put a total of 3 layers of paint on this thing, and I'm going to be using this paint and primer combination. Alright guys, now that we're done painting, here's a quick tip. It's a good idea to take our spray can and then just take our acetone soaked rag and just clean the tip of that can. So what happens is the paint ends up curing at the tip there, and you still have like 80% of the bottle left. You'll have to toss the whole thing out because this thing's gotten clogged all the way through. So now we just wait.
The next morning.
Alright, look at that guys. The paint job came out pretty awesome. Now this Molle panel will come with its own hardware. You're gonna have 2 long screws paired with 2 long spacers, as well as 2 short screws paired with 2 short spacers. So the 2 long spacers and screws are gonna go in those 2 top holes, and the 2 shorter ones go down here. So when we mount it onto the truck, we'll need to have the screw mounted here on the front and the spacer in the back. Now we would want to use a power drill to get the screws started, but before the head goes flat against the Molle panel, we would want to use a screwdriver to finally drive down the last few threads so that we don't pull out the threads in the plastic. So that's what the final installed Molle panel looks like guys. I have to say, this thing looks awesome.
So overall, I really like how this Molle panel looks under that mid-console guys. It's really clean and very form-fitting. This thing is lightweight and sturdy, so you know it's not going anywhere. Currently, I do have my first aid kit strapped to it, and I am planning on purchasing one of those Molle strap flashlight, maybe from Olight, and strapping it right there in front of the first aid kit. So let me know what you guys think about this mini mod and what I should design and cut next on that plasma table. I've had a few requests, including an overhead storage panel for the rear of the double cab and the extra cab, as well as bedside Molle panels for the truck. So if you have any unique ideas, maybe I'll feature your comment in the next video for the design and fabrication of it. So make sure you leave those ideas in the comment section below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please support my video by either becoming a Patreon patron, donating beer to my channel, or buying one of these new t-shirts from my store. You can buy this and other items at my website, so make sure you check that out. Go to kflow-script.com. But wait, I did say in the beginning, now I will be giving away a few of these Molle panels, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can find out how. Now there are many ways in which you can enter to win this Molle panel. The first one is through YouTube. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification button in my channel, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below for this video. Put your first name and your last name and the words "wants Molle" right next to it. So for example, K Flow wants Molle! Exclamation point. Don't forget the exclamation point. The second way in which you can enter to win would be through Instagram. So make sure to follow my page. I'll be doing a giveaway post on my Instagram. Like that picture, comment on it saying your first name, your last name, wants Molle, and again, exclamation point. Make sure you tag 3 of your friends. Now the third and final way you could enter would be through Facebook. Follow me on Facebook. Again, comment on this video on Facebook and put your first name, your last name, wants Molle, and tag 3 of your friends. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be ending this with a B-roll of the plasma cutting on one of these Molle panels. Think of it like how it's made. Till next time, guys, peace out. Hey, what up, squad? It's your boy. How you could engineer your very perfect Tacoma. So make sure you how you could the bell right next to the subscribe button. Figure out how. Snap. So the second way you could win this